If we do not keep a track of our actions and reflect on them, we will not be aware of our sins and mistakes, and we will not give ourselves a chance to improve. It is necessary for a Muslim to habitually review their actions on a regular basis and assess themselves objectively. Besides reflecting on our actions on a daily basis, we should also use certain milestones like birthdays, new calendar years, and other special Islamic occasions to think about our spiritual progress over the last month or year. The Prophet says in his will to his close companion Abu Dar,
"O Abu Dar, no one can be from the pious people unless he keeps an account of his actions, what you have done, eaten and said today."
Imam Musa al-Kazim said,
"One who does not examine and evaluate himself every day is not one of us. If he does a good deed, he beseeches God to increase him, and if he has perpetrated a vice, he seeks God's forgiveness for it and is penitent before him."